Just think of a story topic. Earn 90,000 per month. Many people are earning millions by creating cartoon videos. Assalam alaikum everyone. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing well. As you all know, I keep bringing online earning related videos for you. So, once again I welcome you to my new and easy to follow video of online earning. Before starting the video, let me tell you one thing. I do in-depth research on the topic I create videos about. And if I believe that this thing can benefit my subscribers, so I share that idea with you all. Don't skip the video because you'll receive tips and tricks from me intermittently throughout. Before starting the video, as always, let me tell you one thing. If you're new to my channel and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's move towards our video. Well, friends, in today's video, I have brought a website for you where you just need to paste the story script and the website will create a complete animated video for you. What do you need to do in this? You only need to think of the story topic, and with the help of ChatGPT, you can prepare the story script. The rest of the work will be done by that website. No, I'm not joking here. You will find live proof in the video. You can imagine how much earning can be generated if you work on this website for just 1 hour. The name of this website is Steve.ai. Open ChatGPT. Write a story topic. ChatGPT will prepare a complete script for you. Open Steve.ai. Paste script. Select template for video. Here we go. Download the video. If you also want to create animated videos, I highly recommend trying out this software once. I assure you will be amazed. If you like the video, be sure to let me know in the comments. See you in the next interesting video. Take care and goodbye for now. Allah Hafiz.